विद्यारूपे अविद्यानाशिनी विद्येति अंतरात्मविदां गद्यै सपद्यजाते आद्यै मुनिभिस्तुते प्रसीद. Namo Namah. Today I will be speaking about Saraswati and the birds associated with her. Saraswati, Sharada, Vagishwari, Vagdevata, Vak, Brahmajaya, Brahmi are all synonyms of the goddess. Iconographically, you will find a very fair goddess wearing white clothes, carrying a rosary in her hand, a lute or veena in her hand, and Spatika Mala, Pustaka in her two hands. Three birds are associated with this goddess. One, the peacock or Mayura. Two, the parrot or Shuka. Three, the swan or Hausa. Three birds are associated with this goddess. Let us look at the Mayura. How does it look? Physical appearance of the Mayura. Very beautiful, having big feathers, beautiful feathers. When it spreads, it's a wonderful sight to look. You look at the parrot, very soft bird, soft green color, dark green color, having a red beak. And third is the Hausa, white in color, no other color, just white in color, occasionally with a yellow or a red beak. Saraswati is depicted as riding the peacock, or the peacock is, when she sits playing the veena, the peacock stands watching her. This peacock is identified with a vain sadhaka or a student who acquires knowledge but does not ponder over its essence. He is, or the sadhaka wants to just show off of his acquisition. He displays his acquisition, his learning, but does not go to try and find the essence of it. And the peacock displays its feather, but does it realize its value, its beauty? Maybe not. I don't know. The next is the parrot. The parrot is a pet. It sits on the index finger of the goddess Saraswati. You go and see goddess Saraswati at Sharadamba at Sringeri, you will find a parrot on her index finger. This parrot has got the quality to imitate. I recall one famous kotra and reciting it. Tavakara kamalastam spatikim akshamalam nakhagirana vibhinna dadimi bijabudya pratikala manukarishan yena kiro rishiddaha sabhavatu mapabhutti vani te mandahasaha. The parrot is perched on the index finger of goddess Sharada, Saraswati. The goddess holds a crystal mala, japamala, rosary in her hand. It is crystal and it reflects the pink rays emanating from the nails of the goddess Saraswati. The parrot thinks that they are dadima pala. They are the fruits of pomegranate, the seeds, and it tries to pull them. As it tries to pull them, a glance, the goddess glances it and uses a mild smile. It does not realize it is sitting on the goddess Sharada itself, knowledge itself, but it does not realize that it is reflection. It does just root learning. Next is Hausa, white in color, pure, as pure as the goddess herself. It is the embodiment of higher learning and knowledge, realization. It stands for the highest sadhaka. The highest spiritual sadhaka who has realized is called as Hausa. The highest mantra is the Hausa mantra. Such so that the goddess herself identifies with the word. Soham Hamsu. I am you, you are that. That is the benefit of all. All your yearnings, you realize, you become one with the goddess, total identity with the goddess. What else? So these are the three birds which I found was something which I should share with you. One, the peacock, two, the parrot, and three, the swan. We start with these three levels, and we should try to attain the third level, the level of the Hamsa. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bhavashri Sridhar.